This tumbler was engraved with a Cloudray 30-watt EasyMarker, with a 110 lens. The settings for this job were as follows. Speed 800 mm per second, power 70%, frequency 20 kHz, line distance 0.02 with type 1 hatch at 0 degrees. In Rotary-Mark the split line is set to 0.02. The laser is adjusted 5 mm high out of focus so as only to burn away the powder coat and not mark the stainless steel. The actual run time for this piece was 3 minutes 20 seconds. The video is running at ×3 speed.